Hello friends, this is Namrata Doshi and welcome to my channel Tech Savvy Andy. In today's video, we will learn how to customize Excel ribbon. So if you don't know what is ribbon, I will explain you in detail. So please watch this video till end so you can gain all the knowledge. And I want to add more one thing that I have started one Excel playlist. So you can get its link in below description box. So you will find all the types of Excel videos in that, so you can quickly learn the Excel also. So let's start. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and press notification bell for more updates. So let's begin. First of all, we will understand what is ribbon. So ribbon is a group of tabs. Here you can find that tab, different tabs: home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, different types of tabs. So generally this group of tabs is called ribbon. Ribbon is generally found below quick access toolbar and title bar. So in each tab you will find different groups. That in home group you will find font, clipboard, alignment, number, styles. So and in within different groups you will find different type of commands. So you can perform specific tasks by clicking on that. So if you want to customize ribbon, it means that customization of ribbon means you can customize each tab, each group and each command. So for customization you need to go on file, then click on more and then click on option and then click on customize ribbon. So you will get this kind of option, and I will show you another option that on clicking on any group, right clicking on any group, you will find the same option, customize the ribbon. So you can go by this method. This is the shorter method. So let's start how to customize. Here you can see that I have already customized my ribbon name Namrata. So I have add two groups also. In that group I have also different type of commands also. So you can do it by your need. Currently I am using MS Excel 2016, but basic procedure will remain same in all the Excel, whether old or new. So you have to go in file and go on more and option. So go on customize ribbon. Okay, so now we will add one tab, new tab in. So click on this new tab option. Here you can see that new tab already added. So I will click on right click on this and will rename. So you can rename as per your choice. I am writing here Namrata. Okay. So here you can see that new group. So you can also rename the group. So I am rename group also, that quick option. Okay, now you can see on left side different commands are there. So you have to just select the command and press add button. So it will automatically add in under the group. Whatever the command you need, you can add it by selecting and add. If you press pan add, if you want to remove it, then click on here and click on remove. You can see that you can remove also. Now you can see here that it is order option is also given. So on whichever option you click, you can go take it on upside or below side. Like here I am taking first of all we check that whether the tab Namrata has been created or not. So here you can see that the tab Namrata has been created, and you can see that here the group also quick option has been created. So now we are again going to customize ribbon. I want to show you more options. Okay, so you have to see that. So you can, I am clicking on this and I want that my Namrata tab button should go on last. So I will click on this down button. Okay, so you can, and I will click on OK. So now you can see that this Namrata tab has is in last position. So you got my point that you can customize your ribbon as per your needs. So, and if you don't want that your ribbon should be in the along with this, that you don't want that the ribbon should be there anymore, so then again click on customize ribbon. Then you can apply reset button. So reset, after applying reset button, you will see that the all the tabs will be in its original form. It will come in original form. So here you have to click reset and reset all customization. It will on press on yes and then click on OK. Now you can see that all the tabs are in its default format. So my Namrata tab has been gone. So this way you can customize your ribbon as per your needs. So like this way you can customize your Excel ribbon. If this video is useful for you, so please like, share and comment on my video, and please subscribe my channel and press notification bell for more updates. So please stay connected with my channel so I can bring you more such type of useful video for you. So thanks for watching and stay connected. Bye guys.